Bird hit the window.
Yeah, I found somebody over here. Let's see if we can get them back. Come with me. Oh, there they go.
There she goes.
As soon as I touched it, it took off.
Oh, she's not flying very well,
No,
though.
but it's okay. She's up in the tree now, and that's all that matters. Good for her. Good for her. Helped her along.
There she is.
Let you do its thing now.
I guess. She's just sitting there breathing really hard with her eyes shut and her head down. She does not know where she's at yet. This is where she first opens her eyes. She's opened her eyes now. You okay, baby? She hit the window. Mike picked her up off the porch and she flew away to this tree about 20 feet from the porch. And she's been sitting up here breathing hard with her eyes shut. But she just opened her eyes. Maybe she just was a little dizzy. She's becoming more alert, looking around, noticing more of what's around her. And she sees me standing here, but she's been up here for about 10 minutes and she's going to fly away soon. And she flies away really well, so she's not injured. She was just kind of knocked dizzy. At the end, I posted something that shows you what kind of bird she is. She's a thrush. It's hard to tell these thrush if they're male or female, but I'm calling her a she. I'm not sure though.